Hi my dear friends, welcome to Sri Pragna tutorials. In this video, we are going to learn multiplication by 9, 99, 999 and 9999, a series of 9s. How to multiply a number with series of 9s. So, we will see the first problem. For example, if you want to multiply 7 into 9, 7 into 9. So this is one of the trick. With the help of trick, we are going to write the answer within seconds. So what does the trick means? This trick has to be applied when equal number of digits, equal number of 9s. Okay. So here 7, one digit is there, only one digit, and only one 9 is there. 1, 9. Equal number of digits 1, equal number of 9s 1. When equal number of digits equal to equal number of 9s, we have to apply this trick. Now we will see the trick. Just simple, the trick is very simple. First you subtract 1 from 7. If you subtract 1 from 7, it will give you 6. So this is the first part of the answer. Now we will see the answer. First, you subtract 1 from 7. That will give you 6. Second, 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6. The difference of 9 and 6 is nothing but 3. 63. This is the answer. Now we will see one more question. 8 into 9. 8 into 9. Step 1. Subtract 1 from 8. It will become 7. If you subtract 1 from 8, it will become 7. 9 minus 7, that will give you 2. 72. 72. This is the answer. So this trick has to be applied when equal number of digits, equal number of 9s. So now we will see the one more question. 54 into 99. Here 2 digits are there. Here also 2 9s are there. Equal number of digits, equal number of 9s. Now we can apply this trick. Subtract 1 from it. 54 minus 1. 53. Next step. 9 minus 5. That will give you 4. 9 minus 3. 6. The answer is 5346. (165) into 999. Equal number of digits, equal number of 9s. Now we can apply the trick. So 165 minus 1, that is 164. Second part of the answer. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 4, 5. For the first part, subtract 1 from the given number. For the second part, subtract these answers from 9. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 4, 5. Now we will see one more question. 4 digits are there, 4 9's are there. Now we can apply our technique. Subtract 1 from it. 5, 6, 7, 7. If you subtract 1 from it, 8 minus 1, 7. 7, 6, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 7, 2. Therefore, the answer is, this is the answer for that. 5 crores 67 lakhs 74,322. For example, now 12 into 999. Is it possible? See here. Here 2 digits are there. Here 3 9's are there. So is it possible to do multiplication by using this trick? Yes, it is possible. First, what we have to do, we should balance. We should balance this given number. Right here 0. Now it becomes 3 digits, 3 9's. 3 digits, 3 9's. Now we can apply the same technique. Yes. If you subtract from 12 1, if you subtract 1 from here, it will get 0 1 1. 0 1 1. 12 minus 1 will be 11, but keep 0 in the front. Then only it will become 3 digits. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 1, 8. This is the way we can multiply. Now, 7 into 99. 7 into 99 if you want to do. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. But number of digits, number of 9 should be equal. So, if you keep 1 0, 2 digits, here 2 digits, here also 2 9's. Then we can apply. Both are equal now. Then we can apply our technique. First you subtract 1 from it. It will become 0 6. 0 6. 9 minus 0 is nothing but 9. 9 minus 6 is nothing but 3. Answer is 693. This is the way we can solve the problems in seconds. Next, one more question. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Why? Because if you keep 2 zeros here, it will become 5 digits, 5 9's. 5 digits, 5 9's. Now we can apply our trick. 0, 0, 122 this. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 2, 7. This is the answer for the given question. When the number and number of 9's are not balancing means put zeros in the front so that both will be balancing. After that, you can apply this technique. When the given number and the 9's are not balancing means first put the number of this method can be applied only when the number of digits in the number and number of 9's are equal. If it is not equal, what you have to do? Put the number of Okay, I hope you understood this method. So we will see one more question. 597 into okay, just you see. "39 into 9. 39 into 9. Can we apply this method for this 39 into 9? Means we cannot apply this technique for 39 into 9. Why? Because here the number of digits are 2, but here number of 9's are 1. Both are not equal. That's why we cannot apply this method. But you see, 139 into 9999. Can you apply this method? Means yes, we can apply. But here number of digits are 3. Here number of digits are 4. 4 9's are there. How they will be equal? Means if you keep 1 0 in the front, number of digits will be balancing to number of 9's. We can apply this method. We can apply this method. I will give you some questions. Practice those questions for your better understanding. Try this by your own. Try these 10 questions for your better understanding and practice. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates. Share this information with your friends.